Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. You have to start by open QCY application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have. You need to go to the settings, and right here we have gestures, so let's work with it. So firstly we have single press, and by default these earbuds don't use this feature, so we can set it. So for the left earbud I just tap on it and I want to select volume down the music. For the right earbud I want to use volume up the music. For the double press, for the left earbud I wanna play and pause the song, also like by default, and for the right I press on it and I wanna play next track. Now triple press. For the left earbud I wanna also leave voice assistant, but as I said you can just tap and select something else for you. And for the right earbud I wanna play previous track. Now I think it's much better than what this application offers by default, and if you want to, you can reset it. So if you don't like it, you don't need to select and then check what by default and return. You can just scroll down, go to more settings, reset to default, and then click OK. And if we return, right here as you can see, we have these gestures by default. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!